Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam
जस्सैक निश्चित कालमथावलंब जीवंति लोम विलजा जगदंड नाथा विष्णु महान सयजस् कला विशेषो गोविंदमादि पुरुषम तवांग मजान. So here this beginning of spiritual understanding that spirit, the supreme spirit, cannot be cut into pieces. Nainang chindanti sastrani, nainang dahati pavaka. Now try to understand. We are thinking, the modern scientists, they are thinking that there cannot be any life in the sun globe. No, there is life. We get information from Vedic literature that there is life. There are also human beings like us, but they are made of fire. That's all. Because we have got teeny experience that how in the fire a living entity can live. To answer this problem, Krishna says that Nainana dahati pavaka. Why you are sitting there? Come here. Nainana dahati pavak. The spirit soul cannot be burnt. If it would have been burned, then according to our Hindu system, we burn the body, then the soul is burnt. Actually, the atheists think like that when the body is burned, everything is finished. Big professor, they think like that. But here Krishna says, Nainanga dahati pavaka. It is not burned. Otherwise how it exists? Na hannate hannamane sarire. Everything is very clearly stated. The soul does not burn. Neither it can be cut into pieces. Then nachainam kledanti apa. Neither it is moistened. It cannot be wet, in touch with water. Now in the material world, we find that anything, however hard it is, just like stone or iron, it can be cut into pieces. There is a separate machine or instrument. It can be cut. Anything can be cut into pieces. And anything can be melted also. It requires a different type of temperature only, but everything can be burnt and melted. And then anything can be moistened, can be wet. But here it is said, na chainam kledanti tapo, na sosayati marga. Neither it can be evaporated. That is eternity. That means any material condition cannot affect the soul. Jasangayam purusha. In the Vedas it is said, this living entity is always without any touch with this material world. It is simply covering. It is not in touch. Just like my body, the present, this body, although it is covered by the fat and the coat, it is not attached. It is not mixed up. The body keeps always separate. Similarly, the soul always keeps separate from this material cover. It is simply on account of various plans and desires that he is making for lording over this material nature. Everyone can see.
Krishna Krishna Krishna